Welcome to the Chattahoochee Nature Center, where adventure meets the outdoors right here in the heart of Roswell, Georgia. With over 100 acres of wild wonder nestled right along the banks of the Chattahoochee River, this place is packed with fun things to see, to touch, and to even discover. Take a stroll through their shady forest trails that offer beautiful little peeks into the river. Take a peek into their buzzing butterfly garden, where you'll have a chance to get up close and personal with those butterflies. And then meet some of their cool little critters like owls, turtles, and even snakes at the center's beautiful and absolutely well-kept wildlife habitats. You can even paddle down the river or get your hands dirty in their native plant garden. So, whether you're here to learn, play, or just soak in some good old sunshine, the Chattahoochee Nature Center is the perfect spot to connect with nature in a meaningful and unforgettable way.
Thank you.
One more not here.
Uh-oh, the butterfly is not going to get you.
Yes, the butterfly is not going to get you, Mama.
Ah! The butterfly.
Hey guys, well, we are here at the Chattahoochee Nature Center, which is right off the Chattahoochee River. And if you're not from this area, the Chattahoochee is like the big thing in the metro area. It kind of cuts right through it. They've got parks, different restaurants and hotels, a lot of different stuff that are, as they say, on the hooch. So we got the girls here. There's Brielle and Giselle over there messing around with something. So there's the wife. She's back in the film. So we are here doing another field trip with the girls. This one is going to be, of course, outside. So they have a creature thing at 2 o'clock. There's the guided tour at 1 o'clock. What else? There's the butterfly exhibit where there's actually a bunch of butterflies, and we was just told when we was coming in by a older couple that there's ways that they give you this little stick with some whatever it is on it, gets the butterflies to come to you. So you said you'll have butterflies flying around you, landed on you, doing all sorts of good stuff by the time you finish. So what we're looking at is experiencing that. We're gonna do lunch here since we're not right around the corner from home. So we're gonna do that, eat lunch, do a few other things, and then we're going to just enjoy the place. There's Brielle, who's got like a handful of these earth globes, which I ain't figured out why. And Giselle's been experiencing different stuff and touching different stuff. So we're just here to just have some fun, learn about some nature, and enjoy another area that's in the metro area that we don't have to go halfway around the world to get to. So if you don't know Metro Atlanta, Atlanta's called City in the Trees. So all around this area, it's a lot of different things that you can do, that you can see, from city stuff, from nature stuff. As you've seen the week before, we did puppetry arts. Eventually, we're going to get to the aquarium, World of Coke. It's just a ton of stuff that you can do in Atlanta. And if you're not taking advantage of it, you're missing out. So don't miss out. Enjoy and see what we got for you today at the Chattahoochee Nature Center. So I hope you guys enjoy this field trip with us.
So we are at the beavers.
Yeah, he said I'm out.
Oh, he left already.
No, they said he's like on
He's
up,
hiding.
up close.
Yeah, he's like up against the rock. He can't really see him now.
Well, he has a pretty nice home. I know that much.
He does have a nice home.
Look, with a nice little serene waterfall that he gets to listen to before he goes to bed. Ooh. Okay, we're looking for the beaver. Yes, where are you? Brielle said.
I think he was out. beaver.
Yes, where is the beaver? Look on the ground. There's the beaver. Say hi, Mr. Beaver.
Hi, Mr. Beaver.
Where's Giselle?
Where's the at?
Giselle, come here so you can see the beaver.
Who wants to have the beaver?
Come here. So you got the beaver. Ooh, you got a butterfly?
Look, Giselle.
Wow, Daddy has a butterfly.
See?
You want one?
Okay.
Oh,
he
bye,
flew.
bye, bye. Bye. Yeah.
Bria, it's okay, Mama. It's just a butterfly.
You're okay.
See?
You're okay.
It's okay. Let's see if I can get one.
Well, they're not the only ones.
Yeah. I guess we can keep going if I can get one.
I'm just saying.
She can get it. Oh, she's gonna try to get her own. Look, she has one in her hand. Look, let's go get it. Go get it. There you go. There you go. Can you get it? Oh. I got away from you.
Oh, there's my footprints.
Another set of footprints. What might that animal be?
The animal.
Yes, what might that animal be? Walking in the forest, walking in the forest. We're not afraid, we're not afraid. Walking in the forest, walking
Oh,
in
Daddy.
the forest. We're not afraid.
Daddy.
Yes, more flowers. Come on, Giselle, do our song. 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps forward. 1 step, 2 step, 3 steps back. Stop. What's that sound, Giselle? Giselle, Bria, what's that sound? It's a bird. Yes, they're birds. Walking in the forest.
Oh, the pinky.
Yes, and look, Giselle, Bria, look, what are those?
Footprints.
More footprints.
Uh-oh.
And if I'm correct, those are deer prints.
Oh yes, they do look like a deer.
There's the deer.
Oh, look what we're coming up on. Wow,
Footprints.
what a beautiful picture right there. Wow. Okay, hold on, Giselle. Don't go too close now. You can't go out there by yourself.
Oh, more again.
Look how pretty this is. Oh my goodness.
I'm here.
So yes, this is part of what the Chattahoochee Nature Center offers. They offer what they call a story stroll. And so what it is if you look, this is a trail. And along the trail, there are various parts of a story. So you get a little bit of a story time in nature. Now how cool is that? Yes, I love that. I love that. I love that. I love that. So you can see other little scrolls sitting along the way that tell a little story. Oh, you found how it works?
Walking in
And
the
his best
forest.
friend was a small brown dog.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. Okay. So it does just read you at each panel or at each station. So if we keep walking along our story stroll, there's one. So this is the way it's supposed to work. So hold on, James, let me get you doing it. So at each station, you QR scan like that.
Are you reading, Stella? Whispered Sam. Yes, said Stella.
Remember?
Fred can't sleep, said Sam. Could you read a story to me and Fred? Of course, said Stella.
Oh.
Yes.
And then you go to the next panel and the next panel, and it reads a little bit more and a little bit more until you get a whole story.
Okay.
But we are about to
It's raining.
stop and head back to the Discovery Center
Look what's
because
happening.
it's raining.
It's raining.
So we
Guys,
need to get
we are
inside.
stuck in the forest.
Yeah, but we can get inside, so you know we still got enough for us and everything.
We're
Brielle,
stuck.
Giselle, come on.
We're
heading
stuck
back.
on the
It's starting to
trail
rain.
because it's raining. And look at that beautiful view, guys, of the Chattahoochee River.
Nope, that's not the hooch. That is the
Oh.
pond, but
the
we're going to
water's
cross the
raining.
bridge
I
later.
thought that's what she was saying when she was coming through. I heard her say, yeah, the Chattahoochee River.
I thought this side was, but you know what, guys?
Go ahead.
I could be wrong, but I thought the hooch was on the other side. I think it's a longer trail. But hey, who am I? I'm not the people in charge of the park.
Wow, that's a gorgeous view on the trail. This is such a beautiful trail. And guys, it is raining. Yes, it's raining. So let's try to,
White.
yes. What do you see?
Switch white.
Oh, wow, okay.
Uh-oh. Which way to go? Oops.
Where your rock is? Oh, I can. There we go. Oh, wow.
With you.
Uh-huh. Oh. Can you see? A ghost story. With their eerie call and middle of the night hunting, barn owls are believed to have inspired the first ghost stories. These owls have adapted to living in human structures and often haunts the rafters of many old barns and houses. Ooh, ooh,
I'm gonna do all the rocks.
ooh, ooh.
I'm gonna do all your rocks.
Yes, we're going to.
Oh, the river. The river.
Pass out. Do you have a question?
Daddy.
I just wanted to comment, like a fact. It's a common myth that owls can turn their head 365
Right,
degrees,
it is.
but they can only turn it, if I'm not being mistaken, like 256
The
Yeah,
rocks
but
is
you only
mine.
go all the way to the
Just
back
to
one
go
way, all the
mine.
way to the back the other, exactly. So, that's one thing about our owl, also enclosure. So,
Ooh,
all of us
wow.
actually live,
Giselle, you want to touch the owls?
over there. We work with the birds over there, we get to know them. They're actually kind of intelligent, and they can recognize us over time. And they do know how very very sharp.
Whoa, that is pretty sharp. I'll hold your hand out.
Train a dog, but they do know
Ooh.
commands. We go in there.
Yes, does it hurt?
All right, guys. So that was the day at the Chattahoochee Nature Center, and as you can see, it is still super bright and sunny out today. We had a little cloud cover earlier, which definitely helped while we was out there, but it was still hot. you will see once we show you all how the day was, some of the things that was going on with the butterflies and the birds and this, and just the girls were having fun. They were doing their thing, and of course,
Daddy, can you get up?
no, Daddy's doing something real quick. Okay. Anyway, so we had a good time, very educational, fun, all at the same time, which they did not know that they were learning. So I guess that's a good way to sneak things in. Take them to some places, do some things where they don't know that they're learning, but they're just having fun. And, you know, we even learned something, especially when it came to the creature presentation where the gentleman was speaking on the barn owl, and we learned a lot of different things about some of the animals here in Georgia, and just a lot of places on how they get these animals, how they're rescued, things that they do, how they hunt, just a lot of information. But overall, it was a good trip, a good field trip, good learning experience, and we are tired because we had a good day. And of course, the girls are going to sleep on the way home and be full of energy once they get there. So, thank you for joining us, and you know what to do. Like, subscribe, comment, and just hit that notification bell so you know when new stuff comes out, so that you can be first to see the things that we're doing. And we're going to try to do something new each week. So there's Mom over there. Anything to say?
Thank y'all for joining us. We had a ball today. Hope you enjoy all the sights and all the wildlife and the nature that we experienced.
Yes, we had a lot of wildlife.
Come on, baby.
And we're tired again. So have a good one. Thanks for joining us.